Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to upgrade to High Sierra, but if you're going to be doing virtualization, and I have VMware Fusion on my desktop, on my Mac I should say, and with that you're going to need to upgrade your Fusion to VMware Fusion 10. So there's a few things you need to do before you actually upgrade your Mac to High Sierra, and so let's get started. So first thing we want to do is we have I've already upgraded Fusion to 10, so what you're going to want to do is download the latest upgrade, either buy or upgrade VMware Fusion to 10. Once you have downloaded and installed VMware Fusion, you just run the installer, the DMG file, and then that'll upgrade. And then you're going to need to turn on each one of your VMs so that you can upgrade the VMware tool to version 10. So I've already done this on a couple of machines. So for example, I've already done this on the WSUS server. So if you right click, go into control panel, programs, and then down at the bottom you'll see VMware tools, and it's version 10. So that's what we want to see here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do this on the next machine. So I'm gonna go ahead and right click. Now you just right click and you say start up. It's a little different on 10. It actually takes a little bit of time to start up, so I'm going to pause this and then I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, the VMware now has started. So we're going to go ahead and log into the virtual machine. Now because this has SQL installed, it's probably going to be a little bit slow. Let's take a look here. Yep. Yeah, it just takes a moment. Alright, so it's booting up here, or logging in I should say. Just give it a moment. Okay, once your VM boots, VMware tools will actually automatically install, and eventually you'll come up with this message here that says setup needs to reboot your system in order to complete the install. And of course you want to go ahead and say yes so it can complete the VMware tools install. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So we'll go ahead and let this restart, and I will be right back. Okay, now the VM has restarted, so we're going to go ahead and log back in. And it takes a second. This VM has SQL installed, so it is a little slower on the slower side, so I do have to make some changes to that, but I'm going to save that for another video. So in the meantime, I just want to walk you guys through how to upgrade your VMware environment. And this is true if you're using VMware Workstation or Fusion, but you know, I'm on a Mac, so I've got everything virtualized on a Mac. So alright, so now I've logged in, so let's go ahead and take a look at the program files. Just give it a moment to load my profile. There we go. Let's see, control panel. There we go. I'm going to take a look here. All right. So, I guess someone wants to be in the video. Meet Scrappy. She's my Scraps. Come here, Scraps. Come on. There you go. All right. So, yep. It's just taking a few minutes here. Just give it a moment. There we go. Alright, so you can see VMware tools installed, and you can see that the 10.1.15 is installed, so that is the latest tools. So basically that's all you have to do. Now you'll have to do that to every VM you have listed, so I've only done this to 3 machines, or 3 VMs. I still have Windows 10 to do, and a Field client, and then the Citrix server. So I'm going to go ahead and continue doing that on the rest of these VMs. I'll meet you back here, and then I'll walk you through how to install High Sierra, and I'll talk a little bit about the High Sierra install. So I'll meet you back here shortly. Be back. Hello everyone, welcome back. So we just went through a video of how to upgrade your VMware lab environment. So if you have a Mac, you'll be running VMware Fusion, and I just went through the steps on how to properly upgrade. You know, as you saw in that video. If you like that video, give it a thumbs up. I'm now going to just, and then also I have a website that you can go to. It's called My Next Tech. It's MY Next Tech with the 2 T's. I will send you a call out for that. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the reason I did all of this upgrade so that I can then upgrade my Mac to the High Sierra. Now, in order to, before you upgrade to High Sierra, you want to make sure that you upgrade any applications that need to be upgraded that will be compatible with High Sierra, and VMware Fusion is one of them. So I had the previous 8.5 version installed, which then I needed to upgrade to version 10, which is what the video I just showed you how to do. And so the next video that you'll see is it's going to be about the Mac OS High Sierra. And so I will see you back in the next video. Thank you. Have a good one.